Lyco's patented traveling spray reduces water requirements and cleans up faster and easier than any other system. Traveling Spray's Clean in Place CIP option saves time and money. Our system provides up to 10 times the water savings. With Traveling Spray, 2 spray nozzles move back and forth, which effectively prevents screens from clogging, thus increasing screen efficiency for any meat processor. Traveling Spray is a perfect addition to any poultry screen. Traveling Spray uses 10% of the water consumed by conventional spray bars. While conventional spray uses 50 to 100 gallons per minute, Lyco's Traveling Spray uses only 5 to 10 gallons per minute. Lyco Manufacturing, the experts in innovative food processing machinery.